Just wanted to do a quick review of this magnet carabiner combo. So you can see here, there's just a little attachment point to the magnet and the carabiner goes right in there. I've been living and working out of this converted van for about 4 years now, so this is really handy to get extra attachment points inside the van. As you can see, I can just stick it right up there, hang a clothing line, hang a shower curtain, anything that needs to be hung up. But the magnet itself is incredibly strong. I can pull a clothing line across the van on the interior and hang up probably 10, 15 shirts and let them dry, and this doesn't go anywhere. So really strong little magnet, and as you can see, carabiner, pretty simple setup there. Had this for about 2 years now and still going strong. So if you're looking for a setup like this, I would highly recommend these. It's been working great for me. As always, you can find an affiliate link in the description below if you want to check this product out yourself.